and hand paint chips, old hinge. No one had asked, he noticed it crooked. Turns it twice, door meets the frame. He wipes his hands, stands in the kitchen, phone doesn't ring, air doesn't move, fixed it anyway. Made it level, put the screwdriver back. Stood in the kitchen, the door doesn't drag, he doesn't either. Pasta on the stove, water at the boil, he sets one plate. Jacket on a chair, still where it was. Salts the water twice, doesn't notice that something almost lifts like light through glass. One good second, then the water boils and it's gone. Turns off the heat, fixed it anyway. Made it level, eats at the counter. Jacket on the chair, nothing is wrong here, the cabinet holds.